Hi, this is Molly from Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot this quick video just to go over a few tips and tricks that you can do that's going to utilize your website and your Google Business Profile. It's going to help bring in more customers. So I'm looking at your site. It looks really great. All the links are working. So I think overall it's a beautiful, beautiful site. Really enjoy the pictures that you have up there. One thing that I would recommend though is content. Google operates off of content. It's the way that you tell them the things that you want to be found for when people search. So the thing with content is they would like to see around 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. The reason for that is throughout all that content, you can strategically place those keywords that show Google the searches that you want to show up for. This is great right here. Also, your pictures can be saved. Those count as content. So you can save those as keywords as well. And that's just a way to sneak more of those in there. But let's take a look on the back end and see how you're doing. So this is the basic analytics of how your site's performing. So these numbers represent the strength and the trust that you have with Google. The higher these numbers are, the more likely Google is to recommend you when someone searches for your service. Anything 30 and above is considered a pretty strong site. The way that you raise these numbers is through backlinks that come from referring domains. So what this is, a backlink is anytime another website, we call it a referring domain, but anytime another place has got your website listed and it points direction back to you. But here's the thing, not all backlinks are equal. They each have their own score and strength, and some of them actually don't give you any strength at all. Some are spammy, some are more authoritative. So out of these 36 referring domains that you have, only 11 of them are helping you. The other 25 actually aren't giving you any strength. They're not pointing anything back to you at all. So in reality, that's 2,000 backlinks spread out over only 11 websites. Google finds that kind of ratio suspicious. And so it definitely is one of those things where it's quality over quantity. You don't want to just go out there and get a ton of backlinks from wherever or a ton of backlinks from a few referring domains because it just doesn't give you the authority that you would hope. Also, you're ranking for 253 keywords, but you're only getting 54 clicks a month to your website. So right now, it's kind of just sitting as a digital business card rather than something that's actually bringing in traffic and helping you grow. Let's take a look at your keywords. So when we look at keywords, there's two different kinds. So there is informational and branded national ones, or there's local buyer intent. We want to go after those local buyer intent ones. So things like apartment renovations NYC, that searched 200 times a month. NYC renovation, that searched 200 times a month. Apartment renovation NYC, 200 times a month down here. So stuff like this renovation cost per square foot NYC, that's more informational. And so just going off of your website, the first thing that I came across, the first service that I saw after apartment renovations was kitchen renovations. So I wanted to search that and see what comes up. So when you search kitchen renovation NYC, here's what is coming up. So this first thing right here, this is your the Google Maps area. You definitely want to do what you can to rank in the top 3 right here. And the reason for that is 30 to 40% of the people who search that keyword, they're going to stop and click on one of these links right here. Now, ways that you can do that with your Google Business Profile, when you fill that out, you've got to make sure it's filled out completely, especially the About section on the bottom. You want that optimized with all those keywords in there. Also, make sure all the pictures that you post to your profile are branded and optimized. And you want to be posting those branded and geotagged photos to your profile weekly. Be sure to respond to every Google review that you receive. A lot of business owners don't know they're supposed to be doing that. But the most important one is citations. A citation is any time that your business information is listed throughout various directories on the web, like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. There really are thousands of directories out there. So you want to go out and give your information to as many of those as possible and be sure that you're outranking the competition in that. Scrolling down here for the organic section, One of the top uh, competitors that we found is this NYKB. So that's their website. But what we're interested in is what are they doing on the back end. So here's the analytics for them. So they're at a 34 and a 24 or 37 and a 24. And that's because they have 5,000 backlinks spread out over 484 referring domains. So it's a much better ratio. So you want to come here, find what referring domains your competitors are at, get the quality ones, and you not only want to match the number that they have, but you want to outlist them by at least 100 referring domains. They are coming up for 810 keywords, and those combined is bringing them 1.4 thousand clicks a month to their website. So let's take a look and see what keywords they're ranking for. So NY kitchen remodeling, that's searched 300 times a month. They are getting 50 of those clicks because they're ranked number 2. Kitchen remodel New York, searched 300 times. They're getting 50 of those clicks. Kitchen remodeling New York, searched 300 times. Kitchen renovations New York City is searched 250 times. So they're getting 44 of those clicks. New York kitchen and bath searched 700 times. So you want to come and find the high volume keywords that your competitors are ranking for and make sure that you rank for those as well. So I hope that this has been beneficial. It's just a little bit of information that will again show you the best way to utilize your website and your Google business profile so that you can move up in the rankings on Google, show up in front of the people who are searching for your services. We would love to hear your feedback on this, and we hope that you have a great day.